When there is no network, there is no signal icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Power off the machine and install the SIM card. Then power on the machine. You can check the LED flashing status, now slow flash. Press the yellow button to enter the settings menu. Do network diagnosis in the fault diagnosis menu. If a network error is displayed, please check antenna. And do D2 initialization in the fault diagnosis menu. If a network OK is displayed, please do initial remote system in sales statistics menu. And click Reset Password button on Cloud System. Then power off the machine and wait a few minutes to power on. Then check the signal icon in the upper right corner. And the LED will flash quickly. Click the Consult button on the Cloud System to refresh the machine status.